Hi, and welcome back to another Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about formatting strings. Let's begin. Go ahead and open Atom. And in Atom, in your strings folder, create a new file called stringformatting.py. This is going to be a program to learn about formatting strings in Python, and you can do this using what is called an F string. You simply put a lowercase f before your quotation marks, and now using curly braces, you can put in any of the variables that you've created beforehand. Let me show you. So let's say we have a talent show sign up, and we're going to be creating variables for this talent show. We're going to have a name, and we'll set this name equal to Bobby. We're going to have an age, and we'll just set it equal to 10. And we're going to have an act, because every talent show has acts, and Bobby is going to perform a magic trick. So if I wanted to use an F string to format this string, my message could say F, lowercase f, quotation marks. And in my quotation marks, I'm going to put name is age, years old, and will be performing a act. And so if I print message, you'll see that Bobby is 10 years old and will be performing a magic trick is showing up. And that is because by using this f, this lowercase f, I can now take any variables I've created before and plug them into my string. So now I don't have to concatenate too many strings or figure out how I'm going to connect all this together. I can just have one string and plug all my variables in. Super simple. So let's try this with another variable just to test this out. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. And I'm going to change Bobby to Sally. Sally is going to be 11 years old, and Sally is going to sing a song. And so Sally is 11 years old and will be performing a song. And that is how easy it is to use formatted strings. That's your lesson for today. Congrats. I'll see you in the next video.